The winner from the YouTube comments is Zamzari, and the winner from Facebook comments is Sebastian. So congratulations guys on winning the profile, and also thanks everybody for participating in a contest. I'll do one more for the next week to participate in a contest to win the flexible volume profile for MetaTrader 4. Just comment below the video, either below the YouTube video or below the Facebook video. And in the next video, in the next trading ideas, which I'll shoot next Monday, I'll pick one winner from YouTube comments and one winner from Facebook comments. Alright, so that's for the little contest, and let's now have a look at the trading ideas. Let's first start with intraday trading ideas. So let's start with Swiss franc, Japanese yen. As you can see, there is a strong buying activity, strong buyers, and there are two strong levels in my opinion. The first one is this one, and it is based on the trend setup. So it's based on this trend behavior, and as you can see, there is a nice looking volume cluster in here in this rotation. What I like about this rotation is that there is this nice rejection of lower prices, confirming aggressivity of buyers. And also what I like is that this level was strong resistance in the past, and when the price went past it, the resistance then became a support. So not only we have the trend setup, which is based on this volume cluster, we also have resistance becoming support setup. So in this case, it seems that the buyers were pushing price upwards. Then in this case, they were adding to their buying positions to push through this resistance zone. All right, so they placed a lot of their positions in here to push through it. The price went upwards again, and when the price hits this level, I think that those buyers will be defending their buying positions, and they are likely to push the price upwards from this level again. The second strong level which I have here is this one, and the level is based on volume accumulation setup. It's based on heavy volumes which got accumulated in this rotation before the start of this strong buying activity. So I think that those volumes were volumes of strong buyers. I think so because of this buying activity, alright? So those are volumes of strong buyers who pushed the price upwards. And when the price makes it back to this level again, I think that those buyers will be defending their buying positions, and they are likely to push the price from this place upwards again. The exact value of the first level is 109.55, and the second level is at 108.69. All right. By the way, what I forgot to mention is that this is a 30-minute chart. All right. So let's move on. Let's have a look at the Standard & Poor's index. So this is the S&P 500 30-minute chart. And the level which I have in here is this one. It's at 2918.5, and it's based on volume accumulation setup. It's based on volumes accumulated in here, those heavy volumes. And afterwards, after this volume accumulation setup, there was strong buying activity. And I think that the buyers who were accumulating their positions here before the start of the buying activity will be defending their positions when the price makes it back to this level again, so they'll try and push the price upwards again. What I should mention is that if you move the profile like this, then the level would be a bit higher based on those volumes. And I think that if the reaction comes a bit sooner and reacts in here, then it would be safer to discard this level, because the price already reacted to this zone in general. Alright, but what I like to do in my analysis is just to look for the rotation which took place right before the start of the buying activity. So that's the reason I would prefer this level, the lower one, over the higher one. Alright, and the next trading idea will be on the oil. And what I have in here is a 30-minute chart of oil, and there are two strong support levels. If you move the profile over this whole area, over this whole uptrend, then those levels are very nicely visible. First one being in here, exactly at 54.07, and it is based on a volume accumulation setup. It's based on those massive volumes which got accumulated inside this price rotation. As you can see afterwards, the price was going upwards aggressively. So this is a sign of strong buyers accumulating their buying positions in here, afterwards pushing the price upwards. So when the price makes it back to this level again, I think that those buyers are likely to defend their buying positions and to push the price upwards again. I would personally approach this trade as not a standard intraday trade, but I would use a wider stop loss, and I think that the stop loss should be in here below this rejection. Alright, so that would be a nice place for a stop loss for this trade. The second one, the second strong support level in here, it's also based on the volume accumulation setup. Exact value of the level is 51.88, and it's based on those heavy volumes which were accumulated in here right before the start of this strong buying activity, this whole uptrend. So those volumes are most likely volumes of strong buyers building up their positions in here, afterwards initiating this strong buying activity. So when the price makes it back to this level again, I think it's very likely that those buyers will start defending their buying positions, they'll start buying again, and they'll push the price upwards again. So that's for the intraday trading ideas. Let's now have a look at a swing trading idea, which is on the ES. So let me switch to daily chart. As you can see, the ES made a correction, and again it's moving upwards. So let me use the profile over this buying activity, and in here there is a strong level, strong support level created by those heavy volumes. Let me tell you the exact value of the level. It's at 2888.55, and it is based on the trend setup. This is the trend, this is the uptrend, and within the trend, buyers were adding to their buying positions in this area, in this volume cluster. So when there's a pullback to this level, I think that the buyers who are adding to their buying positions in here will be defending their buying positions, and they are likely to start pushing the price upwards again to defend their positions. There's also one more confirmation of the level. It's in here. The level was strong resistance in the past, and when the price went past it, the level became a support. So not only we have the trend setup in here, we also have the resistance becoming support setup, confirming the exact level right there. Alright, so that's for the swing trade idea, which I wanted to show you. And if you guys would like to follow me every day, if you would like to continue your education and trade with me every day, then you can join my pro trading course. You just go to my website, which is trader-dale.com, and you go to Dale's Forex course. You scroll down this page a bit, and in here you can get the lifetime membership in the course. Currently there is a summer sale, 35% off, so now you can get in the course for a really good price. What I recommend is getting this one, this package. It contains the trading course and also the volume profile pack, which I developed for NinjaTrader 8. It's a professional tool which I use in my everyday trading. It's also a lifetime license, and you can also use it for multiple computers. So that's why I think it's definitely worth it to go for this package, where you have everything that you'll need. Alright, so that's for the video, guys. I hope you like it. I'll be looking forward to seeing you next time, and until then, happy trading.